So let me talk about what causes the green line on the iPhone display. So it would look kind of like this. You would notice that you have like a usually vertical line running across your display looking like this, and you might be wondering what caused it and what it is. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can explain it. But essentially you can think of it as the display panel malfunction. So as long as everything works fine, you should have the ability to see the display normally. But if your phone display gets damaged, like physically damaged, you might drop the phone, you might leave it underwater for an extended period of time, or it might be caused more technically by the ribbon cable damage. So the display is connected, the panel is connected to the rest of the phone with like a cable type called ribbon cable, and usually if it gets like corrupted in there inside somehow, then it usually causes, or it just manifests itself as the green line. So that's how it's basically showing up. But it might also be caused by some software issues. And if you are wondering if your display artifacts or some things on the display is part of the software, or if it's malfunction of the display, you can always take a screenshot, right, and see if the green line or whatever else is part of the screenshot as well. And usually it's not going to be meaning that the display is in fact damaged, right? So that's how you can probably know what it is. You should always also go to the settings and find the general section and about, and pay attention to the coverage, obviously, if you have that. But you should also see if there are any parts and a service history listed in there, meaning that if the display has been serviced either officially or by someone else, you should be notified about it right there, and it would tell you that yeah, the display has been replaced and it's not a genuine part, and that could also be the indicator of why it happened, right? So that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.